Emma asked, "Why does it rain?" Her teacher said, "Let's learn about the water cycle." "The sun warms lakes, rivers, and oceans," said the teacher. "Water turns into vapor and floats up to the sky. The vapor cools and forms clouds. When clouds get heavy, raindrops fall to earth." Emma imagined clouds as big, fluffy water buckets. The class drew the water cycle on the chalkboard. Emma saw puddles forming and smiled. "Rain helps plants, trees, and flowers grow," said the teacher. "Rain fills lakes and streams for animals to drink." Emma watched birds splash in the puddles. She saw a rainbow after the rain stopped. Emma helped water the garden with rainwater. The class made a fun water cycle craft. Emma shared what she learned with her little brother. They danced in the drizzle together. Emma spotted a frog enjoying the rain. The clouds cleared, and the sun peeked through. The garden sparkled with fresh rain on the leaves. Emma felt happy knowing how rain helps the world. "I love rain now," said Emma with a big grin.